एजुकेशन बियॉन्ड बुक्स प्रोजेक्ट में एक प्रोजेक्ट है थेरापी विद नेचर। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट है। हम सब बहुत आसानी से इसको कर सकते हैं, अपनी लाइफ में वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकते हैं। कैसे? जितना संभव हो नेचुरल रहें, जितना संभव हो नेचर के क्लोज रहें, जितना संभव हो नेचर के तरीके से चलें। नेचर ने सब कुछ दिया है, उसका सदुपयोग करना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। थेरापी विद नेचर में बहुत सिंपल तरीकों से हम लोग बच्चों को ट्रेनिंग देते हुए ये सिखाते हैं कि हाउ कैन यू एंजॉय द कंपनी ऑफ अ प्लांट, द कंपनी ऑफ अ ट्री, द कंपनी ऑफ अ गार्डन, अ कंपनी ऑफ अ पार्क। Go, talk to the trees, enjoy them, feel like your company. You will be very happy. Play with plants, play with flowers, don't pick them. But at least you can touch them, feel them, that how beautiful the nature is. Make use of nature, be natural. You might have seen, if you take an example of wildlife, nature has provided everything to them also. It's so organized and it is so beautiful that if you go close to the nature, you will really start enjoying. So, I would request each one of you to find some time for interaction with the nature and try to live your life as naturally as possible. While you are living natural life, nature starts supporting you. When you start living artificial life, nature starts working against you. So why not to put the nature with us and take help of nature to grow? Being with green gives you energy, gives you peace, gives you calmness, eliminates your stress, anxiety, your tiredness. So be with the nature. Each child must make sure that for few minutes must walk in the parks where the parks are available, otherwise anywhere where you find the natural surroundings. Take care, be with nature, enjoy the nature and grow with the nature naturally. Thank you.